This country has been built on the hard work, sweat, effort, and innovation of those before us. Each group moving ideas forward and farther than the last. Designing, creating, and finding new ways to communicate complex ideas. As the world changes, industry changes too, in order to meet and exceed the demands of the market. Processes are streamlined, communication accelerates, paving the way for the future. Schools must adapt too. Education in the past met the needs of the past. Yet needs have changed, and the world requires new skills and approaches to problem solving in order to design for the future. Now more than ever, we must innovate, create pathways to ever-changing global demands. The tools of the future must be learned today, all in the spirit of adaptation. In a blink, the world will change, but our students will be ready. Design for your future at Quabbin Regional School's Innovation Pathways.